Mr. UI Sign Goku. I'm upset with myself, and here is why. I pulled my first LR, and I decided that I wasn't going to record it. It's not that I decided, I completely forgot to record, because I just decided I was going to do a single, and it's not fair. Anyways, this was stupid, but I'm gonna hop back in. Now, there used to be an old trick in Dokkan, where you do a friend summon. It has to be all rares and Ns. I have no clue what N stands for. If you know what the N stands for, like the N rarity in Dokkan, please tell me. I'm gonna have to do another multi and hope that I get Ns and rares. Because what the trick was, you did a full friend multi with all Ns and Ls. And then you do a single on the banner, and then you do a multi on the banner that you want to pull the character. Let me lock you up. No, not that. This. Alright, please. Just all Ns and rares. No Super Saiyan. No nothing. Thank you. Don't go Super Saiyan. Okay, great. Do not, please. Do not screen crap. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Next, what I have to do is I have to do a single on the banner, so let's go do a single here. By the way, like I said in the last main summon video, please do not waste your stones. I'm begging you. I'm doing this because he's the best dude in the game and I really want him, but also because for YouTube purposes, I just gotta do it. Gotta pull one LR on camera. But that's the only reason I'm doing this. And then now you do a multi, and then you get the new unit. Like, that used to be the trick, and it worked almost all the time. Does anyone want to show up? No. Okay. Ooh, this is getting laggy, I don't know why. Okay, stop here, give me a rewind. No rewind, got it. Alright, so I guess that trick doesn't work anymore. Let me plug in the phone. I don't make it not lagging anymore. Okay. Vegeta, Hey Shenron, Yajirobe, 18, Nail, Beerus, Ultimate Gohan, Otamo, Disco, and Oceanus. Ooh, that's a cool one. Alright. I know this isn't mine, I know that I did this twice in the last video, but I got it. 1, 2, 3. Alexa, play hype Dokkan music. Go. Please. Google Blackbird? No, I don't know what I was expecting. Vegeta, please fuse. No, it's not fair. And this isn't gonna be a rewind either, so it's okay. Yeah. Okay, Shenron, Krillin, Zarbon, Gohan, Dr. Jerome, Vegeta, Android 16, Nail, was there random Vegeta? Yay! Nothing. By the way, I'm rocking this Universe 6 team, not gonna lie, it's actually pretty good. Most of it's free to play, I don't really care. But this is the free to play Universe 6 lead. Yeah. Well, I'm done. I'm not summoning. I'll wait and I'll pull them during the 5-year anniversary because I just can't anymore. But this is the mayor and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.